Have you been trying to manifest your desires, but feel like nothing is happening? You might be unknowingly sabotaging your own manifestation efforts. In this video, we'll explore common pitfalls that hinder manifestation and how you can fix them. Manifestation is a powerful process of turning your thoughts and desires into reality. The first common sabotage is doubt and negative thinking. If you're constantly questioning whether manifestation works or if you truly deserve what you're asking for, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. To fix this, cultivate a positive mindset. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief in yourself and the manifestation process. Replace thoughts like "I can't" with "I can" and "I will." Trust that you are worthy of your desires. Sabotage number 2 is a lack of clarity. If you're not specific about what you want, it's difficult for the universe to deliver. Vague desires lead to vague results. Fix this by clearly defining your desires. Write them down in detail. Instead of saying "I want a new job," specify "I want a fulfilling job in my desired field with a supportive team and growth opportunities." The third sabotage is being overly attached to the outcome. When you fixate on when or how your desire will manifest, you create resistance and anxiety. Practice detachment by trusting the process. Let go of the need to control every detail. Remember, the universe may have a better plan than you imagined. Sabotage number 4 is inaction or procrastination. Manifestation requires more than thoughts. It requires action. Fix this by setting actionable steps and following through. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. The fifth sabotage is surrounding yourself with negativity. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out supportive friends, inspiring content, and environments that uplift you. Another common sabotage is ignoring your intuition. Take time to listen to your intuition. Meditation and mindfulness can help you connect with your inner wisdom. By recognizing and addressing these sabotaging behaviors, you empower yourself to manifest more effectively. Now that you're aware of how you might be sabotaging your manifestations, it's time to implement these fixes. Embrace the process, stay positive, and watch as your desires begin to manifest. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on manifesting your best life. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting your desires.